How to switch account in YouTube Studio app. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can switch accounts in your YouTube Studio app. For that, you will need to have multiple accounts. Now, open your YouTube Studio application on your device first and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Here at the top right, you'll be able to see your profile icon. Simply tap on it and this will take you to your profile page. Now in this page, you'll be able to locate switch account option just below your name. Simply tap on switch account and now select account from here. Once after selecting the account, you will be signed in to that account automatically. Just by one click, you'll be able to switch your account in YouTube Studio. If in case you don't have multiple accounts, then you will need to create one. For that, tap on the profile icon at the top right and then here again, tap on switch account. By doing so, you'll be able to see the pop-up. Here at the top right of the pop-up, you will be able to locate plus button. Simply tap on it. And now here, you will need to go through the process and then create an account on it. Basically, you will need to create a Google account in order to sign in to your YouTube Studio account. Here in this page, you will need to tap on this create account option right here and then you will need to enter your credentials like your first name, last name, date of birth, your gender and then continue further. After that, you will be able to create a new Google account. Once after creating the Google account, you will be able to switch between the accounts in your YouTube Studio application. So by following these steps, you should be able to switch account in YouTube Studio app. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.